just wanted to walk you through how to make sure that you're logged into your KDISD Google account. This is a requirement for submitting attendance and any communication with Outlook or anything like that. So on Chrome or whatever browser you use, you need to, when you go to Google, make sure you are this right here. I'm already logged in, obviously, but you may need to add an account if that's your personal. And just use another account. Lee Archime, that's me. That's me. And then you have access to all of these. Your Drive in particular would be very useful this year. We're going to use Google Docs and Sheets and Slides. So that's sort of stuff we need to start getting familiarized with. So in the coming weeks, we'll be using this quite a bit. So just wanted to touch base on that, and you need to do that first before you complete the Google survey for attendance.